What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we're doing a full breakdown of my top 5 car waxes that actually make a difference. Whether you care about deep gloss, water beading, easy maintenance, or long-term protection. Some products on this list are traditional waxes, and some are what people call hybrid waxes or wax sealants. They still apply like wax, they still give that slick finish, but the protection comes more from synthetic polymers rather than classic natural carnauba. So if you want the best results, stay with me. And at the end, I'll also tell you which one I'd pick depending on your car, your climate, and your washing routine. Number 5, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Wax. Starting at number 5, we have Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. And this is one of the easiest ways to get that deep, warm, wet look, especially on darker paint like black, blue, or deep red. This is a classic carnauba style wax, meaning it's more focused on gloss and richness than extreme durability. If you want your car to look like it just came out of a photo shoot, this is a super safe choice. It's very easy to apply and buff off, leaves a smooth, rich finish, and offers great value for the results. It's not the longest lasting wax on earth though. In real life, you're getting a few weeks to maybe a couple of months, depending on the weather and how you wash your car. Number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wax. Next up is one of my favorites, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wax. This is really more of a hybrid ceramic wax, meaning it mixes wax-like behavior with SiO2, style protection, the same family of ingredients used in ceramic products. This is one of the best choices if you want strong water beading, slickness and protection that lasts longer than traditional wax. This is perfect for daily driven cars because it makes washing easier. Dirt and water don't stick as much, and the car stays cleaner for longer. Number 3, Bilt Hamber Double Speed Wax. Coming in at number 3, Bilt Hamber Double Speed Wax. This wax has that premium feel, deep gloss, smoothness, and it gives your paint a really clean, high-end finish. It also offers very respectable durability for a wax, which isn't always common with high-gloss products. The water behavior is excellent, and it leaves the surface feeling super smooth. This one is perfect for people who enjoy detailing and want a show car style finish without going full ceramic. Number 2, Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. At number 2, Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. Now we're getting into real legend status products. This is one of those waxes people recommend again and again for a reason. It's insanely durable, super protective, and honestly, one of the best value waxes you can buy. Even though it's called a wax, I describe it as a hybrid because it's not just a soft carnauba, it has strong synthetic protection built in, and that's exactly why it lasts so long. Collinite 845 is perfect for daily drivers, winter protection, and anyone who wants maximum durability without stepping up to a full ceramic coating. It's the kind of product that just works. Number 1, Soft 99 Fusso Coat. And number 1, the durability monster, Soft 99 Fusso Coat. Now I have to be honest here. Even though it's called a wax, it's not a traditional wax in the classic sense. This is more like a synthetic sealant in a hard wax form. Fusso takes the number 1 spot because the durability is insane, the water repellency is on another level, and it has crazy dirt resistance, which means the car stays cleaner for much longer. If you live in an area with rain, dust, winter conditions, or you simply don't want to wax your car every month, Fusso is an absolute weapon. So that's my top 5 list. And remember, it includes both traditional waxes and hybrid wax style protectants. Here's the quick way to choose. Meguiar's Gold Class for the best gloss and value. Turtle Wax Hybrid Ceramic Wax for easy protection and maintenance. Bilt Hamber Double Speed Wax for that premium detailer finish. Collinite 845 for legendary durability. And Soft 99 Fusso Coat for maximum protection with insane water beading. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you're using right now or what you want me to test next. See you in the next one.